Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite integration with OTMM Media Widget. As part of the OpenText Digital Experience Platform, Teamsite CE 21.4 enhanced the user experience by integrating with OTMM CE 21.4 Media Widget, providing richer features like search, filter, and suggestion to increase user productivity with digital assets. This integration provides a single sign-on between Teamsite and OTMM and a unified user experience that is more consistent with OTMM UI across both Teamsite and Extreme in the cloud as well as off-cloud. First, make sure a Teamsite administrator has set up and validated Media Management Connector properties. Go to Administration UI, select Media Management, click Edit and validate the settings. Switch to Experience Studio. Within the asset, select Media. Select the folder where you would like to import new images. Click Import from Media Management. Within this media widget, you can search by different aspects of the images. For example, searching by a country name, Italy, or searching by an object, for example, TV, or filter by a prominent color. You can also sort by many different assets attributes like name, modified date, and many others. Select the images you like and click Import. Notice the assets were imported with all their metadata. The Media Widget provides smart content suggestions. Let's see how that works. Within a site, let's try to edit a page. Click to change the image. Notice Teamsite content suggestions. These suggestions will be passed on to OTMM when the user tries to import assets. Click Import from Media Management. You can see Teamsite content suggestion keywords in Media Widget driving asset suggestions. Click on the asset you would like. If I click on Reference, the image will show up in our page but won't be downloaded into Teamsite. That way, the page will have a reference link to the asset in OTMM. Alternatively, if I would like to import and maintain the asset in Teamsite, I'll click Import. The image will be imported into Teamsite and inserted directly into the page being edited. You can find the newly imported image in Assets Media. So far, we have shown media assets, but Media Widget can show assets relevant to the eStudio view, whether media or resources. Let's see how it works with resource assets. Import from Media Management. Now the user presented with a different set of assets. You can use a variety of filters. Let's look at Application PDF. You can see the results are PDF documents. Remove this filter. Searching for a country or an object now would produce different results. We can see there is a Word document, a PowerPoint, and other objects. Select the assets you like and click Import. I would also like to demonstrate the OTMM auditing feature for imported or referenced assets by Teamsite. Log in into OTMM. Let's check out the image we imported a few moments ago. Let's check its audit trail. Notice the Asset Place event. You can find many details about this event. As you can see, Media Widget adds extensive search, filter, and suggestion capabilities to help find digital assets by a variety of attributes. This integration from OTMM greatly increases Teamsite CE 21.4 user productivity. Authors have a quick and easy access to media assets relative to the page and the view on which they are working to build engaging experiences. In addition, OTMM will keep a detailed audit trail for used assets.